Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's a little different content, but I'm gonna just jump right in. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna have a seafood boil, and these are the seasons that I use. So right now I'm just showing you all of the different seasons that I put in the seafood boil. I have the fresh corn, I have the shrimp, the crab legs, I have the eggs already put on, and the potatoes. I have red potatoes and I had the white golden potatoes. So we're basically doing this seafood boil for my mother's birthday. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna be popping in and out the video. So you gotta cut your red potatoes in half, and then I also cut up the white potatoes as well. Put them all in one pot, and then I put the corn in its own pot. And a lot of people might do it different. They might add their eggs and everything, but I just always like to use separate pots. And now I'm putting my shrimp on, and I just basically put the obey and season it. You can use butter, or sometimes when the ice that the shrimp, or when they are in the freezer, it'll already have ice on it, so you can basically just pop them in and saute the shrimp that way without any butter. But right now you just see me sprinkling a little obey on the shrimp, and it'll turn out really nice and tender. So you don't want to overcook your shrimp. You just want to kind of like just toss them around in the pot until it get that red hint to the shrimp, and then that's when you know they're kind of like done. Okay, so here's my sausages, and I just diced them up as well, and just put them on the stove. Is several ways that you can make your sausages. You can add douse a little olive oil in the pan and make them that way. Some people just use water as well, just like how with the shrimp. So you could just basically make your sausages and make them to the way that your desire, far as if you want it to be a little crispy. And here you see my onions, lemon, garlic, all of the seasons that you saw in the beginning of the video. I just basically just place them in the pan because right now I'm about to mix up my sauce for the seafood bowl. So right here, I'm just going to show you how to prep your lobster tail. And I know I didn't show it in the beginning. I got to get better with this whole video thing. So just bear with me. But the lobster tails is really easy. After you cut off the legs to the lobster, then you'll flip it over and you'll cut the first top layer directly down the middle, down the center, until you get to the end of the tail. And you'll kind of not crack it open, but like pull it apart so that you can actually lift the meat up and flip it over the tail. And you'll basically see me do this. So right here, you'll just see us repeating the steps. And I'm saying us because I'm pretty sure y'all see me, my sister and my daughter in the video with me. So you see me taking the meat and just flipping it over the tail. So you're just gonna basically season it up real good, and you can use whatever kind of season you prefer, just to make sure that it's seasoned and the meat is tender and it tastes good. And make sure that you put the lobster tail in the oven for 7 minutes. So with the crab legs, you could just put them inside of a pot, and you could put a strainer, because if you could see, I have the strainer inside of my pot, and I have like a little bit of water at the bottom, and then I'll go ahead and season them with the Old Bay, and then like throughout the time that they're okay, everyone, this is the finished product, and we're about to dig in and wish my mother a happy birthday. And look at it, it looks so good and it's so scrumptious and delicious. So here's the finished product. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace and blessings.